My name is Mel. I am the MakerPlace Coordinator at the Midland Public Library, which is where we are right now. We are proud to offer a number of collections for people of all ages and abilities. We even have physical things like snowshoes, fishing rods in the summer. And one of the new things that we've added is our cognitive care kits behind me here. And these are through a grant from the Government of Ontario, designed for older adults who are dealing with dementia, Alzheimer's, other cognitive disabilities like that. And they are designed specifically with the interests of older adults in mind. So we have 9 kits, and each one themed to a different interest, from things like tools to cars to games. Each kit has 3 activities in it, and those are kind of loosely themed to those different areas of interest. There's usually a puzzle or other kind of game activity. A lot of them have a large print book that is either good for reminiscing or practice reading or learning new information. And then a lot of them have prompts for conversation. So that can be something like an easy crossword or an actual book that's called Let's Chat, and it has different conversation prompts to help either reminisce or help you learn about someone new that's coming in to help care for you, things like that. Anybody could take them out and use them. They're available to anyone with an adult library card for a 2-week loan, but they are geared towards the people who are caring for someone with dementia or Alzheimer's. That is the primary audience. What it means is they have a new way to interact with their loved one that they're caring for. And it's not going to cost them anything, and it just gives you something new to do with them that maybe breaks up your routine a little bit. Yeah, so you come in with your adult library card. You can find them in our catalog, so if there's a specific interest that you're looking for and it's not here, you can put a hold on it. When it comes back from the previous person, we'll let you know you can come pick it up. But they are right here on the wall, and you can see each one has a tag that tells you what the theme is for that kit. So you can just grab it off the wall, take it to our ladies over at the circulation desk, and it's yours for 2 weeks. We haven't actually gotten much feedback yet. There is actually a survey inside that helps us to report back to the government the success of the program from the grant. But as you can see, I have 4 hooks empty right now, and there's been at least 1 hook empty since the program started in November. So we wanted to make sure that everyone in our community felt supported, and people who are living with dementia and Alzheimer's were not as well supported in the library. So this helps us open up more to them and make sure that there is something for everyone here at the library.